Hello guys, welcome back to Zyojyo Tech. Are you facing issue while updating 25S2? At that time, if you are facing issue, then this video is for you. Okay, how can you do that? First of all, you have to check your version of the OS. Press Windows plus R from the keyboard. Type WinVer. Hit enter. And I'm in the 25S2. Okay. And after, check your version of there may be 24S2 or 23S2. First of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the Windows and type Windows Update and click here to check for updates. Now click Run, and here you have to turn on this. Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Then after, click the check for updates, and if you find out, then after this automatically download and install the latest version of Windows 11 25S2. Okay, if you are still facing problem, then what you have to do is you have to delete old your Windows Update files. Press Windows plus E to open the File Explorer. Then go to this PC, and here go to your system file. Go to the C drive. There is your system drive. Click on the Windows, and here type Software Distributor. Click S. Here is the software distribution. Click OK and click the download. And after, Ctrl A to select all, then Shift Delete. Okay, you have to press Shift Delete to delete all. After deleted all, then after you have to go to again Start menu, type Services. Okay, click on the services, and here type W to find out the Windows Update. Here is the Windows Update. Double click, and if you find out this manual, then click Start first. Then after, choose the automatic here. Then after, click Start here and click the Restart, and you can find out your running here status. And after, click Apply, click OK. And again go to the Windows Update and click the Windows Update. Okay, and after, if you find out there, then after this automatically installs the latest version of Windows Update in your computer. Here is going to download. Right, next method is that you can do a clean installation. Okay, if you are facing again problem, then you can do a clean installation. Okay, if you want to clean installation, then I have given a link in the description box of the full video. How can you download OS, and how can you make bootable, and how can you load in your laptop or computer. Very easy. And after, the last solution is that you can find out here, guys. Here is one link that is from the Reddit. Windows 11 25S2 enablement package updates and official ISO download links. Okay, if you are using the Windows 64-bit, then click here. The link will be in the description box also. After the download, go to the download folder and right click. Then after, click to open. And this is Windows Update Standard Installer. Searching for updates on this computer and click OK. And then after, you have to follow the instructions and you can update to the 25S2. Okay, for Windows it's already installed because I have the 25S2. Okay, these are the solutions you can try in your computer and you can fix your updating issue in your computer or laptop very easily, guys. Okay friend, if this video really helped you to solve a problem, then let's do support my channel, like, share, subscribe and share to people who need this video. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.